Harmony in hydroponics. Once upon a time, in the heart of Jerusalem, there lived a wise bear named Benny and a majestic lion named Leo. Benny and Leo were not just any bear and lion. They were guardians of an ancient secret that had the power to unite people from different walks of life. One sunny day, Benny and Leo decided to embark on a mission to teach Jews, Muslims, and Christians the art of growing vegetables hydroponically. They believed that the shared language of plants could bring harmony to the diverse community that coexisted in the city. They set up a magical garden in a hidden courtyard, where Jews, Muslims, and Christians could come together to learn the secrets of hydroponics. The garden was filled with an array of vegetables, each leaf telling a story of collaboration and growth. Word spread like wildfire, and soon, curious children, eager teens, inquisitive adults, and wise old folks from all backgrounds gathered in the courtyard. Benny and Leo stood side by side, ready to impart their knowledge. Chapter 1. The Gathering of Hearts. The first lesson was about the basics of hydroponics. Benny, with his gentle voice, explained, just like our diverse city, hydroponics teaches us that plants can thrive without the need for soil. Each of you is like a seed, ready to bloom and contribute to this garden of life. Chapter 2. The Dance of Nutrients. Leo, with a roar that echoed like a melody, spoke about the importance of nutrients. In this garden, we are like the nutrients, different yet essential for growth. Jews, Muslims, and Christians, together we create the perfect blend, nourishing each other's roots. Chapter 3. The Symphony of Unity. As they started planting, a beautiful symphony of unity emerged. Jews, Muslims, and Christians worked hand in hand, planting seeds of hope, understanding, and friendship. The old shared stories, the young laughed, and everyone felt the warmth of cooperation. Chapter 4. Tending to the Garden of Faith. Benny and Leo guided the community in caring for the hydroponic garden. Just like each plant needs attention, Benny explained, our friendships need care and understanding. We can learn so much from the way these plants depend on one another. Chapter 5. The Harvest of Friendship. The day of the harvest arrived, and the courtyard was alive with laughter and joy. Jews, Muslims, and Christians celebrated the fruits of their labor, a bountiful harvest that symbolized the beauty of diversity. Epilogue. A Garden of Peace. The hydroponic garden became a symbol of unity and peace in Jerusalem. The lessons learned from Benny and Leo's teachings echoed through the city, reminding everyone that in the garden of life, diversity is the key to a flourishing world. And so, Benny the bear and Leo the lion continued their mission, teaching generations about the magic of hydroponics and the even greater magic that happens when parts of different faiths and backgrounds come together to create a garden of peace.